Hey guys, welcome back. So this video I wanted to show you what I did, well, how I decorated my mailbox. And the video before this one, I uploaded a tutorial. So the mailbox is from KSCRAFTs, and like I said in that video, it comes with a lot of pieces. So you can do like a little slit, you could do a little keychain, you could do a lot to it. But I'm using mine for Happy Mail, and I just wanted to decorate it like this. And this little pom-pom tool is from my stash. Olga, she is for the love of crafts. She made it, and look how cute, right? It's like a perfect little pom-pom. So cute. I add Happy Mail, and then I know you guys, I'm always using this bow, but I just love butterflies. So I did that. I'll put the link to that die in the description bar. But look how cute, I love it. And it's nice, and it holds a lot of stuff. So it's about 8.5 inches tall. And look at the inside. Like these notebooks from Dollar Tree fits. These are from Dollar Tree. That fits. And then I added some little beads. And I still have room for a lot of stuff. So again, and you can make the bottom sturdier. So if you want to add more stuff. And if you watched the video before this one, Nicole mentioned that basically the lid, if you do the lid twice, you could put it over here so you don't have like that open slot, that open slit. But that doesn't bother me. But there is many ways that you can recreate this and make it yours. But this is it. Just wanted to come real quick and again show you how I decorated mine. I still have to add more goodies and tissue paper, and I like it closed shut, so you don't really need anything to close. I guess it closes on its own, and I just thought it was so cute. Look at this. Like, let me see if I can move this a little higher so you guys can see a little bit better. Look, and that's it. Isn't it cute? And that is my little Happy mailbox from KSCRAFTs. I hope you guys like it. Give it a try, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.